everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about "You are a liar." This short dialogue will help you practice simple English words, sentences, and feelings in real-life situations. It's very useful for learning how to talk about promises, honesty, and disappointment. Let's get started.
Dad, can I talk to you?
Yes, Anna. What is it?
You promised me a new phone if I got a good score.
Yes, I remember.
Look, I got a good score in my exam.
Wow, good job, Anna. I'm proud of you.
So, where is my new phone?
Anna, I don't have money now.
What? You promised me.
I know. I will buy it later.
No, you are a liar.
Please don't say that. I really want to buy it, but not now.
But I worked so hard. I studied every night.
I understand. I'm sorry, Anna.
Sorry is not enough. You broke your promise.
Please trust me. I will keep my promise when I have money.
I don't know if I can trust you again.
Anna, sometimes life is hard, but I still love you.
I love you too, Dad, but I'm very disappointed.
I understand. Next time, I will not promise if I cannot do it.
Please don't lie again.
Okay. Anna, I promise to be honest.
Okay, but I'm still sad.
Wow! How do you feel after watching this? What do you think about Anna? Tell me in comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you next time!